Okay, so this is Noel Wiggins here doing another exciting tutorial in WordPress and how to maintain your website using the WordPress CMS system. The tutorial is going to use Augusta Golf Instructions website, which is one of our latest and greatest websites that we've designed. Everything that we do is custom designed. So whether it's a flash player on the home page or video that streams tutorials, it can go full screen and or nice custom CSS navigations that can pull down over the flash player, links to the social media connections, and just an overall well branded look and feel. We have a contact form that can submit inquiries into a database for future email marketing, which is really successful, and then links to the latest blogs. So the home page is constantly being refreshed with new content based on the latest blog, which Google's just going to love once we start doing SEO work for this website. Okay, so every WordPress install has a login that is easy to access. You just go wp-admin, and based on the credentials to your site, you will be let in. Okay, so today I want to basically show how easy it is to update the content of the website. There's several ways that you can create pages in WordPress. One is by creating actual pages, and then the other one is creating posts. I found that the most efficient way to do this is to create posts within categories. So instead of having a page called Corporate Golf, I actually have a category called Corporate Golf. And the thought behind this is as the site grows, the content's going to grow. And I would imagine we would have more and more things to say about each one of these categories. Doing it, or each one of these pages. By doing it as a category, we can continue to add new pages to this without any fuss. So if we wanted to see all our categories, we have them there, but to navigate to the actual article that we're trying to edit, you want to go to post, and within post there's every page in there, and it can get a little cumbersome just trying to hunt and find what it is we're looking for. So I use the filter category to go down to our sections that we're looking for. So today I want to edit the partners page, so I hit filter, and voila, there's my partners page. Now the editing tool is pretty straightforward. It works just like any other word processing application out there, and it's pretty easy to work with. What we want to do right now though is demonstrate how once you type some text in, how we can make that a link. So if I have bound golf here, I'm hoping this is the URL. If not, it can be updated later just as easily. So I navigate to the website, and usually what I like to do to keep things clean is to navigate to the website and copy the URL from there. If you type it in, you can sometimes miss things. So I'd like to load the actual page and then type it in. So here I'm just going to copy and paste that in there, and just by pasting the text in there doesn't mean that it's going to be clickable. So we want to make sure we select that text and then hit this link button that's up at the top, which will bring up the dialog box to put the link in. And unless this is an internal link that's going to the site, you might want to have that URL open in a new document. So just select that pull down to go to blank, and then insert. Alright, let me just go ahead and update the other one, which is swing right. Paste that in there, and then it's a little finicky, but you copy and paste that into there, blank, insert, and all is good. Now just because you did the edit here doesn't necessarily mean it went live yet, so you want to make sure you hit update, because like right now we can refresh that partners page and we don't see anything, which is good to know, because maybe you're doing some edits that you're not quite finished with. You can always save the draft and come back to edit it later, but here we want to go ahead and update. And by updating, this should now have links that are ready to click, and they open in a new window, which is great. So